Damn, we hunting news lows or what? We got no orders down there apparently. Fuck me, 1,000 orders at all-time high. Big boys are trying to bait the buys. Did I just turn off? You sure do. Look at the higher time frame. 1 hour, 4 hour. Okay. Yes, put in equal lows. Got a big bullish SMT here, boys. That's into a 2 minute. About to create a 3 minute. Anyone interested in longs? Yeah. 2 minutes, awkward. Who the fuck is that? Oh, chill out. Chill out. Basil. Stop. Stop barking. Hello, can you hear me? Yeah, I know, how nuts. Three minutes. If anything, the best thing to take a trade from here is probably the 3 minutes, but I would be so careful around this area. Sorry. On this all-time highs, but we have that many orders up there, it seems like it just wants to spoof. We got a bearish SMT now, boys. What are we working with here? Not much. Thought the range would be a little bit larger than that. Tom said that dog ain't causing nothing but foolery. Right, the 1 and the 2's inversed with the 3. Could get a little retracement play here. Tight stop losses, no. Does it want to do it? It's so awkward. I'd rather have a fair value gap here to retrace, to reject off of. I'd rather just sit out of this. We have a well, yeah, I guess we just tapped into a 30-second, didn't we? I mean, this 5 minutes still in play. This 507 level is like pretty juicy. Nice. Is anyone in longs? Anyone took longs? that's so dead. Yeah, that's super. That payout level is fucking cock teasing you, bro. I should have taken the long there, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, them contracts literally disappeared. They didn't even really get filled. Okay, so we've got a big bearish SMT. We've still got the news highs on ES. If you're in longs, let this bitch run. Let the bit run. Yeah, almost like a trend line D's. Is anyone in long? Could have taken aggressive long from down here, but if the 3 minute didn't close so high up, I probably would have taken it. I'm not gonna lie. But I just wanted to have a bit more room to breathe to take this point here and then go break even. It's nuts though, we've moved 136 points past all-time highs. Oh, we got news in 5, don't we? Wait, what's this? There will likely not be an inflation release next month. God. What did Trump say here? Fucking half 12, the stock market is stronger than ever because of the tariffs. That was a signal to buy. That literally was a signal to buy. You. No. Why do you never trade them, Kurt? Oh damn, that's quick 600 right there.
That this
Right, I'm not really interested in shorts, boys. I'm gonna keep it a bit. I know we got a big bearish SMT. However, shorts do not look clean enough for me. Could create a 5 minute in 2.5 minutes. Or 3 minutes, sorry. Yeah. No, sir. I wish we had a 30-second here. How far are we? Like fucking 300, 200 points? Fucking hell. 186. Crazy. Oh yeah, news candle in 2 minutes, yeah. I could have bought you flowers. And before it was just a pure liquidity build up. Tell me about it. It's fucking draining. They were not what they once used to be. Crazy to think like just from 463 to like up here is over $1 billion. Yeah. 306, 260, 183, 186, 226, 213, 106. Damn. New all-time highs. He has forgot it was news. For real, dog. These are gonna get slipped immediately. Then we got this. Did Harvard's mic bug out, or was it my internet? That was fucking dodgy as fuck. FBI is tapping into his shit. Hoax. They're tapping into the fucking gas station worker shit. My answer. What's going on, Pete? Bro, it's like it's such a high level of English. Even till I'm English and I'm reading it, thinking, "Oh, bro, for fuck's sake!" Like, yeah. Exactly, exactly. Even there, Mossad got the Nazi flag and hate speech final message ready in the van so you can kill yourself by 3 shots in the back of the head. Yeah, okay, we just put the news lows. Yeah, he failed. He's failed his Swedish exam, but not English. Like, how does he get a B plus, bro? Here, that would be an A star. Bro, D's, where's AP? Where has AP been? For real? So you could activate the account now. That's what Alpha Futures is like. Alpha Futures. If I go onto the dashboard now, Alpha Futures will. If I made $100, Alpha Futures dashboard will reflect that within like 3 minutes. They hate seeing you buy an eval. Gambling. Gambling. High stake professional intuition trader. Intuition trader. This big 1 minute. Are you allowed to stack XFAs? Oh, but that alpha you can't. That's so gay. Nah, he's driving, but he's probably just texted. No, I definitely did not take that short. Look better on ES for sure. Much better on ES. Oh, that's tradable on ES. On this, it's not really true. This we can't. Hmm. Oh, 30 second short. Let's have a look. Yeah. 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 That's he's driving with his knees. He can't have a day off. Yeah. I need to just. Thanks, bro. Oh my god, I nearly had 5 minis placed. No, my PA. Yeah, it would just do rejection block. Um, what's the fucking word? Order blocked or whatever. Order rejected. Nothing worse than Apex and seeing order rejected. Ah, fucking trailing drawdown got me again. Damn. Alpha, you just need $1,500 profit, then you can go to 2 minis. But I wouldn't be trading 2 minis before that anyway. I wouldn't even trade 2 minis until probably about 53. Yeah, nice ass payout. But it makes you think, like, how can they not have a scaling plan, bro? Like, how are they so willing to give away that much money? If I was a prop firm owner, I would be the biggest Jew, bro. Low key. Same with the car insurance company, I'd be a fucking Jew. I'd be like, what? You didn't have 2 hands on the steering wheel? Fucking insurance payout denied. One in the 2 minute. Yes, it's tapping into the one above. What orders have we got going on? We can close above 9-1, that'd be good. This should come up. Yes, didn't close the 2 minute. This bitch rallying kit. Oh, there you go then. If we come back down to this level and put more buy orders right here at 503, not really. Just this bitch, now turn around. Damn. I saw all these orders fly in on TraderVate. Holy shit, could get a crazy short. Shorts, hello? We got so many stacked imbalances here, so much fucking sell pressure right here. No. But what's ES doing? ES didn't inverse the 1 minute. Held that 2 minute, didn't inverse the 1 minute, bullish gap. I can, this should really, with this much sell pressure here, I'd be so baffled if we come back up. But now we're in this area here, and this is where the most volume's been traded here. But we tapped into it, so. Turn around, face down, I'm arresting this bitch. So we might struggle to break through this. Is this like a 5 minute by any chance? See, but I hate when ES does this though, bro. Like it's not inversing this or the 2 minute, but then it also can't inverse this here. So it's just like we kind of gotta be patient. Because ES doesn't know what it wants to do. Spoiled. Good boy. What the fuck is going on? What is going on, bro? Is something being said? I don't understand. My trade of it is going nuts, bro. It's literally like flashbang either side. We just filled 124, 125 orders at 216 with 109 negative delta. Bro, buyers want this market, bro. I'm telling you. This had to be one of the big boys jumping in to try push price straight back down. That was like Bank of Scotland trying to bring it down, and HSBC was like, no. Trump and China meeting next week. That 1 minute did not inverse. 2 minute inverse on ES. I'll just be careful, boys. I'd be a little bit scared right now. Yeah. See bye bye to news highs. Yeah, still couldn't inverse the 1 minute. Insane. Oh, bro, that was a clean 30-second woody. Can you see it? Oh, you fucking cunt. I'm never on the 30-second chart. I wish you kind of said, oh, there's a nice 30-second. That's karma for not telling me about the 30-second. Yeah, bro, I would have been break even. I would have been break even when we set the internal high there. Not gonna lie. Close that 30-second. Bastard Jew. Bro, ES needs to just kind of speed up a little bit here. It's a bit dodgy, kid. Oh, this is dodgy. Like, look at these wicks. Oh, for sure, bro. He makes like over $1 million a year from Discord. Think about it. He makes over 50K a month from his affiliate. He literally never has to trade. So he's going to inverse this 1 minute. ES inversed. Hopefully we should just come up to new highs now. And all-time highs. What is going on? No. No, sir. Got a nice internal liquidity point there. Down here, we got nice lows. We got nice draws of liquidity below. Yeah, this shit is dodgy as fuck. We just kind of need to see this. We're about to create a 30-second. Yeah, that's literally the only way to put it. I wouldn't be surprised if we just fucking. I wouldn't be surprised if we just melt to these lows. Still got this bearish SMT in. Didn't inverse the 1 minute. Didn't inverse the 30-second either. Yes, inverse the 1 minute. Jesus Christ. Holding the 30-second. I don't know. ES is going to fail that 1 minute. Maybe ES wants ATH. Didn't inverse that 30-second. We got a serious case of trendline liquidity here. This 30-second could. If ES comes up and it takes that high, then we got no bearish SMT, and then we're just gonna have to hunt for an internal bearish SMT. Which we actually have. We got an internal bearish SMT and an external bearish SMT. ES has put in equal highs. We got a little M shape coming up, boys. On the 30-second. And it's printing nicely, but this trend line's just got to get fucking whacked. But look how we're holding this trend line perfectly again. Jesus Christ. I need to take my jumper up. Huh? Yeah, I don't just want to try short because of all-time highs, but like, we got nice draws below. We got this trend line. We actually, well, I feel like that M shape that was supposed to come would have came on that move there. Inverse a tiny little 30-second here. YouTube's going strong. See you later, James. This should just fucking fly here. So tempted to put limit order and restricting this 30 seconds. Yeah, we got good draws below. We have got a 5-minute here rejection block that we're respecting perfectly. We're not closing above 50%. This 30-second could fucking cook. Tiny little 30-second there. Tapping back into that 1 minute. Oh, I didn't tap into it. This should fall, bro. Taps 50% of that 1 minute, pretty much. Closing the one. Breaking the trend line a little bit here. Filled the fair value up perfectly. This 1 minute is a god. I'm gonna piss. Oh, my ankle. I'm not. Someone's in the bathroom. Yeah, it's struggling right now. With with shorts, there's gonna be a fucking displacement candle down. It is pretty risky. But this is what I would want. super risky. Look how it's holding price so fucking much, bro. Let's have a little look on the 1 minute. Yeah, it's because there's just like imbalances throughout this gap. 2-7. Buyers are getting exhausted though, I can't lie. Looks like it anyways. Got a lot of volume. No, to be fair, could be the other way around. Got a lot of negative delta. This long though. Need to get out of this area, bro. Tapping back into this rejection block. Inverse this 1 minute. I'm happy to sit out of this 1 minute. Look at ES, bro. Fucking hell. ES is just fucking dropping sideways. Okay, now we could get a big old bearish big boy cock candle. What the helly? What the heliante? What the hell, well, it held that 1 minute long. Yeah, for real. You really want to see these equal lows get swept, like with 20 seconds left of the candle, and then an inversion. We don't want to see an inversion and then the sweeper to equal lows. We need to see the equal lows get swept first and then extra confirmation of an inversion after. There we go. Missed it again. Yes, putting equal lows. Bit more of a risk trade here. Come on, limousine downtown, limousine downtown, limousine downtown. Ride the fucking pony. Whip the fucking pony. Send her fucking down. Send the ship down. This needs to go bearish immediately. I'm taking profits. Fuck it. Yes, it's holding that 1 minute perfectly. Anyone go short? Did anyone like trade it the way I did? You see how close I was? My TP got edged. My TV, I mean, my stop loss got edged. So hard. My stop loss got edged, bro. Literally, that's like when you're nearly gonna pattern a girl. You're nearly there. You're nearly gonna smash, and you've just met her or whatever. You're nearly gonna smash, and then her boyfriend texts her, and then all the guilt comes back to her. Look at that. Look how close it went, Woodsy. Ready? Fucking. I don't think I can be in this market no more. It's just choppy, bro. Like, look, this 5 minute rejection block's working nicely, bro. I'm glad I just wanted to take profits because I had a little bit of slippage earlier and pre-market on a break even. Made some of that back, but I wanted to make a little bit more just to have a fucking bit more of a balance. Because I fucked myself up last week, Wednesday. Holy shit, how is that internal liquidity just getting edged? Is that the news candle? No, sorry. Don't know why I'm apologizing. What going on? There was one time we was playing Warzone, yeah, and we was high off edibles. This was like COVID times, and there was like three of us, and we were fucking so fucking high, and we was just spray painting on a rooftop somewhere, like not even playing the game for like literally 20 minutes, just in fits of laughter, just fucking about. Bro, we turn around. This whole time, this guy has just been watching us with a pistol. Oh my god, bro, we was crying. COVID, I can't lie. Lockdown time was probably like some of the most elite time. Are you in short, Woodsy? You tapped the edge of that. Bit of early gap. For PA to be nice, we want to see this just melt right now. Don't really want to see this come back up. And I'm not in short or anything like that, so I don't care about it coming down. But for the sake of good PA, we need this to melt. Yeah, I just completely jinxed it. That's a 30-second there. Another 30-second that we're in now. That's where the 30-second finishes. Yeah, bro, there's been pretty bad slippage. Fallopian. I had slippage pre-market, that sucked. Lost me like $90 or some shit. But I made it all back. Okay, now we're tapping back into where like most volume has been traded. So, oh no, it's switched up here now. This was the previous area. Oh damn, bro. Should have held my short. I wasn't even here. Was that a trade break even? That short Dustin talked about. That short Dustin talked about no way that made profit break even, right? I don't even know. I can't even remember what short he took, a 30-second short. But he goes break even differently, right? But yeah, he goes break even much later than us. Makes a lot, but he can lose a lot as well. Swings and roundabouts, really, doesn't it? Yeah, for real, fallopian. Then when Pro started doing this shit, I was more willing to take a short. I took a short. We had the 1 minute inversion. I entered on the retracement up here, or some shit. I can't even remember where. Where was it? We had this short here. I entered on the retracement like up here. My stop loss was like there. And then I just closed with profits when we came down and came back up. I just closed some profits. Because this price action just isn't the cleanest right now. Created one bearish gap on the way down. Rejecting out of it pretty nicely. This should just dump. Do we have any old? Nowhere near. What am I talking about? Yeah, for sure. In hindsight, it's always good to. It's always easy to talk about how a trade looks nice when it works. But in the moment, when you add in all of these things, oh bro, I'd be pissed if I was still in this trade. Pardon? Oh yeah, I didn't even. Yeah, but I'm not even like really pit. Yeah, not really like think it. We got a nice bullish SMT though. Very good, very nice, very good, very nice. I met that cunt in Tenerife. Yeah, he thinks he's the boy, bro. Like he sits there on the side on his phone and that, like just chilling. Like he's not even doing his job, which is selling fucking sunglasses. And then you just say, "Oh, go on, go do it." Very good, very nice. But all of them do it. Literally every single one of those fucking lucky men do it. You know who to trust. Yeah, literally. Yeah, it's just awkward, bro. I need to piss. Hello, sexy banana. Oh fuck me, dude! Who took the 1 minute long then? Who's currently getting wrecked? I can't lie. I'm not really expecting to take another trade. I don't want to say it, but it's on my mind. Bam, bam, bam. HS pleaded guilty. What the fuck are these candles, bro? It's like he talks like a Southern American when you're a country fucking living in Sweden. Bro, literally he is. Did a Changingo. Oh, 5 minute. We created a 5 minute for once. In this PA. First 5 minute created all session. Yeah, it won't Chango. Very good, very nice. Tom, where is AP? What's AP doing? Has he fucked off? Because you two Swedish friends. He's Danish. Okay, stop the yapping, buddy. Stop the yap. Cool, if he was in that 1 minute long, bro, that would have been fucking headache. Didn't fail. Hold the trade, and then it's worked. Yeah, no Mars. Let's see what happens with this here. This rejection block. Yeah, no kit. Yeah. Okay, so let's tap back into this 5 minute rejection block. But it's just aids to take this trade. Right. You just have to target a psychological number. Yeah, it's just tapping into this LFEG up here as well now. I'll be careful with the 5. You can take it if you like, but just manage your risk. Yeah, this is rejecting off of the 30 for the 1 minute LFEG. Um, got this order rejection block here. Yeah. Yeah. Just feels like something's waiting to be said. Was that orange folder? That's what that dodgy candle was? Oh yeah, it was orange folder. It was yellow folder. Up to 3 minute. You. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, Marcus, it's horrible. Woodsy, you know that glitchy ass candle that you had in the 30-second? That was orange. It was yellow folder. No, it was yellow folder. Yeah. Yeah. 10 points, yeah, but why 506? We rejected 50% of the 3 minute here. Haven't tapped into the 4, haven't tapped the 5. Actually, at 50% level. Nearly tapping the 5. Naughty, naughty. Look at this though, 10:30, 10:30 reversal. It's 10:30 and we get the reversal. Smash the 5. Let's see. How many positions did you go in with? Oh, unlucky. Inverse the 1 minute. 3 minutes inversed. Gotta let her run. Gotta let her run. Stop field. Bang. Yeah, it did. It did. It actually did. Yeah. But then sellers are like, no, we still want this. See, now this 5 minute V shape looks nice. See ya, bitch, bro. Probably not gonna get the inch. Holding this 1 minute. Well, look at that. Could have caught a clean 68 points, 50 points. Oh, yeah, this is awkward on the 5 minute though. Oh, yeah, the LFVG. She's melting. We could actually really come down to this 428, 430 level. As long as ES plays ball. Yeah. That worked nice. Well, that hasn't even inversed. Damn, I should have traded with the rejection block on that 30-second up there. I said it could cook, and it fucking cooked. We have a tiny 5-minute down here that we've just tapped into. That we held earlier. We have filled a few contracts here. Bye, Felicia. Damn. See this this rejection block up here is so strong. 104 points we just moved from the rejection block. Yeah, they really do. This is gonna plummet, isn't it? Yes, edged 15-minute equal lows as well. No, I didn't even edge, but 30-second here. Didn't inverse. Disrespecting the 5-minute. Bro, Tom, I don't even really have Discord open that much. What's going on, T? Woody, did you go long in the 30-second? On what? Where? Up here at 10:06. Oh, yeah. We respected the 5 minute. Yeah, we just respected that 5 minute that we held earlier. Just seeing that 5 minute didn't inverse. This 1 minute doesn't even look the worst. Alright, kid. That's the worst. It's unlucky because you're doing it more often than you done more than you usually did on like a bad day as well. Sucks. Five three. Oh, you tried to shorten it. Yeah. Happens with me, but with the limit orders. Yeah. Just tap that 5 minute. Hey, Basil. What's up? What's up? Yeah, for sure. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know if it's just because it's CPI. Yeah. 30 seconds until it's 5 minute. I don't think it's going to inverse. See you later, bro. See you, bro. I was so locked in the whole time he was talking. Yeah, I've just been watching the chart. Fuck me, are we going to hold this 5 minute again? Oh my god, it teleported up. Respected it again. Oh, fuck your mother. I'd have been break even there. It's gonna take a lot of selling pressure to take us down, bro. Yeah. That's outside the AM session as well. See if this 5 minute inverse stays on, but if it respects, I'm jumping off. Green on the day anyway, so. Oh, not gooding. Yeah, hella jarring. Oh, that's peak. Oh, my knee. Who the fuck is outside? Some slut in the back. Basil! Basil! Ooh, he's just barking. Bro, I don't know where he's gone. Lazy cunt. Where have you been? Where did you go? You driving? Why? Bro just trades evals. You just trade evals nowadays. Yeah, he didn't miss much. He could have taken a top tick on the rejection block. But... Yeah, good boy. Oh, nice. Nice, King. Nice. Yeah, it's not been looking good. Unless this is AMD. Let me display this down right now. Yeah. Yeah. I'm jumping off too. And you, bro. See you, bro. See you, Harvard. See you, Philippian. See you.